Welcome to the Markowitz, Fenelon and Bank, LLP video blog.
Okay, well, for the most part, what we try to do is be a team member, help the business owner really look down into their business, understand where the numbers are coming from, because anybody can make a balance sheet, anybody can make an income statement. It's really drilling down into those different numbers and saying, you're only getting 60 cents a gallon profit. You should be getting 75 cents a gallon profit, and really making sure that the business owner knows this is how they can make their business better. What we find is just picking up the phone on either side of the relationship. If the client has something that's hitting them that they say, I should really talk to somebody about that, call us. If we see legislation coming through, we try to call the client to make sure that they know, what's coming down. Another important thing is getting us the information timely. We find many times that we're at the end of the list of things that the client needs to do. So we'll get information that's 2-3 months stale. And then it's hard for us to really talk to the client about how they can be real time adjusting what they're doing because the information's so stale. So we try to make sure that we're getting the information in a timely manner.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.